And with the switch over to the online, I have just been so impressed at how the instructors have continued the momentum, have continued the enthusiasm, have given these children, have given the students, the musicians, an outlet to continue exploring their talents. The kids were able to stay engaged. They were able to see their ensemble mates. Our whole family is more engaged with our youngest child, whereas before maybe she would have been in the classroom with the teacher. Now both my husband and I are able to be with her during her song class, and she enjoys playing instruments with us. She enjoys sharing the time with us, and we enjoy participating in the songs and learning right along with her. Charlie picks up that mandolin any chance he gets. My desk is right outside his door, so he's in the virtual classes, and I'm being entertained by the mandolin. That the pandemic might not be so great for a senior year, but for the mandolin, it's working out really well.
The way Irish music has worked in my life since COVID is that it's like a therapy for me. It's a way of focusing, and Irish music is so delightful that it's great to focus on it. Incredibly, it goes very smoothly, very well. Mary's set up really well, and I can always hear what she's teaching, what she's demonstrating, and it feels very personable. And I've also felt a connection through Irish music to the people that I don't get to see in person.
I'm part of the Red Wings Ensemble, and it's a fun experience to play with other kids like me. In the ensemble, there's a piano, a tin whistle, accordion, and a fiddle. And of course me, a banjo. With the online lessons, there are, it's okay because I'm muted and I'm hearing the other person play, so I can just play along with them. But I suppose it's a little harder than playing in person. It's really fun to play together with two people playing together the same song at once. That's awesome.
It's new for us. It's new for our family to be exposed to Irish music, but it's been really wonderful to see Colin learn all these songs all by ear and to remember them. And it's just such a wonderful way to bring music into our family and into our home. That's what I love about it.
It's a challenge for kids to learn an instrument, but it's really, really important, and they have to learn how to learn. It's been a good learning experience for Vincent, and he's just getting those tunes into his head and into his fingers, and it's been a good thing to be able to do during the pandemic. It's wonderful to have a cultural activity like playing Irish music to sort of counterbalance some of the other mass media type activities that kids get into. Online is a challenge for a 9-year-old, very active boy. So Ian's patience, the patience of Job really, is very important in keeping that process going and keeping that personal connection going, which is really, really important.
It's interesting to be doing online lessons in music, and especially with such little kids. They've been home now for a year from their daycare preschool environment, and so I'm keenly aware of how sometimes ridiculous it is to do things online with kids their age. With music, it's different, and I think they're very adaptable as kids. I do think it helps that they already had a relationship with Elisa, and so they're seeing a familiar face, and they're seeing some of the kids that they knew from classes before. This has been kind of a big part of their lives in some way, so I think that they were set up to have this be like a normal part of their continuing life, even though nothing else is normal about their lives anymore. But the teachers have made it really fun and interesting, and it's something that, you know, it's an hour a week, but then, or less than that, but then they are, you know, taking it through the rest of their week and engaging with it. So like our 3-year-old Cal, for every nap and every bedtime, we have to sing Safe Home. So it is like, okay, so it's not just class, it's like our whole life is Irish music.
I can think of many reasons why people ought to support the Center for Irish Music. One of them, just what's happening now. I'm just so thankful that the center has continued teaching music and bringing music into people's homes.
It's like the bright gem in the crown of the arts in the Twin Cities. It's unique. I don't think there's any other place like it in this area.
So we really haven't had any crises up to our present COVID, and that has turned out to be an opportunity. With our online scheduling and classes, we've attracted people from all over the country, even some from out of the country, and folks giving lessons that aren't our normal instructors.
Just high quality teachers who are performing musicians, they're recording musicians, composing musicians.
To be honest, they were right on the ball, right at the beginning. Let's bring this online and let's just keep on going. Let's do this safely and still have a lot of fun. So just that in itself, I think, speaks wonders to the organization.
Just such a wonderful atmosphere of nurturing and raising up the younger generation and perpetuating the tradition in a very pure way.
Yeah, it kind of does, yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the great session experience. We're at the Celtic Junction Arts Center. I'm here on the outdoor stage with a bunch of fantastic musicians that I'm going to introduce you to in just a second. But my name's Nora Rendell, and I'm the director of the Center for Irish Music, which is an Irish music school right here at the Celtic Junction. Right now, I'm standing right underneath our classrooms, and it's really kind of fun to be outside, and this is our first big social event and our first big kind of musical gathering since the school closed on March 16th, and we became a virtual music school. So this is the Great Session Experience. There are 3 sessions going on right here on the stage. This is our main one, and anyone who's joining us from out there in the virtual world, all over the world, I'm sure, welcome. And these are the musicians you're going to be playing with tonight. We've got Ryan Banky over there on the pipes, Charlie Heyman on accordion. This is John McCormick on accordion. This is Mary Venorny on the fiddle. We have 3 fantastic fiddle players, Laura Feddersen and Nathan Gorley and Brian Miller over there. So it's going to be a great session. So we want you to play along. Any of you here in person, you can play along or sing along or dance along, however you want to participate. And if you're out there, same for you. You can sit and listen or grab your instrument and play some tunes with these fantastic musicians. Over to my left, around the corner, past this gate over here, there's a Keegan's Learner session, and they are broadcasting out to their friends who are joining them from all over the Twin Cities. And then a little bit around the corner, we have our junior session, which I'm going to lead. I've got my flute here, and a bunch of my students are out there. We're ready to play some tunes. So if you're here, grab a drink. We have a bar inside. There's pop and water and beer and wine. We've got some Guinness and Finnegan's. So make yourselves at home and enjoy the night. So and also, before we start, tomorrow evening, right here on this stage, we have a fantastic concert that's going to be featuring these 3 musicians, Brian Miller, Laura Feddersen, and Nathan Gorley on fiddle. So there are tickets for that concert on sale tonight. And at the beginning of that night, we're going to have a local and legendary accordion player, Martin McHugh, playing with Mary and Laura McKenzie, Tom Lockney, and Dahi Sproul. So that's going to start the concert off. And that's at 7:30 tomorrow night. Tickets are free for kids and $25 for adults. So don't hesitate. Just get a ticket and come on over. It's going to be a gorgeous night again. So, and if you're out there, join us on Facebook or YouTube or on our website. There's 3 ways that you can join us. And I think that's all I have to say. So have a great night, everybody. Let's hear a round of applause for all the music we're about to hear tonight.
All right. We made it.
Now we gotta take it back down. Use the mic so you can...
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Do something informal.
It's great out there. It's great.
Hey, Ian.
It's going behind the building. That's what I hear.
Congratulations on the house. That just happened. Oh, yay. It's amazing.
Exciting stuff. I'm glad it all worked out.
Bought a house.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
I am around really close to Lexington and Marshall, right around there.
Great. Awesome.
Great.
Cool, man. That's great.
Well, we'll be over tonight.
Yeah. We'll see.
It looks like you have the porch for it.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. That's great. Yeah, it's a big deal. It's hard enough right now too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Well, yeah, I was just going to.
Sure.
Hey!
It's been forever. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Really happy to be back.
Yeah. This is a great.
I like what you've done with the place.
I know, it's so deluxe feeling out. This deck thing is amazing. I guess the stage
Yeah, that,
feels like just an awesome deck. Just 2K. 152. Cheaper.
governor. You're gonna dance on this next set.
That's okay. Yeah, it was decided.
We voted.
Oh yeah, the mic down. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. It's supposed to
For your
be.
dance. Joke's done. No. Let's maybe it tightened it a wee bit.
That's so beautiful.
It's so nice. Oh, look at the pretty, like, the dark clouds with the light clouds in the background and the blue sky. It's
Yeah, it really got nice out today, didn't it?
Yeah,
Oh.
just this rain
Yeah,
thunderstorms
break.
and lightning.
I don't know.
The break we needed.
We broke you.
yeah. Made me like very appreciative of all artistic natural
Taylor wants to do one. Or...
Like, don't cry.
Okay. How about,
It's fine. It's just two clouds in a tree.
Yeah.
They break you or fix you.
that one? And then into Jessica's.
Folly.
Folly? Folly
What is that one? What is that one?
Yeah, I just had that same brainwave.
Do the Sweeney set. It's about halfway down the page.
Okay.
stuff, Charlie. That's such a great tune. I know that's one of the best ones.
That's a good one.
Love that
There's a
tune.
song with yeah, something about brooms. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, really?
The last one was,
We played an A.
the name I know it as is Mama's Pet.
Yeah, it's little, yeah. It's a song too. Pet a Bank or whatever.
Yeah.
Cool. Hi, Chad. See you.
I mean, I think I
We
just
keep
play
on
both
meeting here
single
every
and
week.
both when I play.
Maybe you can pull up a chair too.
Yeah,
Can I just get an A?
yeah. I mean, really not that many people. We could just all cram on the stage. That feels kind of weird. Yeah.
Yeah, Charlie.
I don't think we're getting a deluge of
How about a low C
joiners.
natural? Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. Sorry.
Yeah, go there or whatever. Plug in here, whatever you want to go.
John,
Right there is good.
that's not cool, man. That's sort of hard. That language hurts us.
I mean, I can see.
Another what?
Yeah,
Well, there's the Keegan's Learners
Tons of them.
Inspired session, and Nora is leading like the junior, or like this same student, young people's session.
Incorporated them in, so like I don't know what's.
I mean, it's.
God, is that your school that's had the massive?
Nope.
Yep, that is my school.
When you guys play a lot, is that for you?
There's directors like insisting that
Serious too, man.
What's that?
There's like a massive scandal at the school that Ian teaches at.
Yeah,
like
lots of,
millions
like,
of dollars. Like
$4.5 million.
they invested in a hedge fund or
Yeah.
some kind of crazy thing and lost it.
What money?
With like the school's money,
Yes.
which is illegal, but somehow it was done.
Yeah. Hedge fund lost a lot.
Seemingly,
Yeah, put it in hedge funds, and it. That apparently
they put in $5 million, and they got like 600 grand back.
Sounds like the hedge fund builder got his big eye. Now don't invest this in the wrong place now.
That's awful, man. It's crazy.
June.
Isn't that funny?
That makes
Yeah.
A year goes by and you don't think of it. Yeah.
Just leap right out of there.
No, you seem pretty chill.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I love that Breeze of Roseby. I can never remember how it starts though.
Yeah, that was one. Oops, there goes.
But it's
I have to drink it. Yeah.
it's tuned the equivalent to that, but it's B flat F, B flat
No, I
F.
think it's one of those tunes like I heard
It's
and wasn't
weird,
really that
but
fond
it's-
until I heard you guys
good
do
for,
it at the band session.
It's
Like,
keys that I sing in. And
nice.
Nobody plays that. Like nobody plays it.
Oh, I'm gonna go get a beer. Don't worry. I
I
got
don't know.
it.
Some of the Pipers played it.
You're very
I
kind.
feel
It was just
like if the
Yeah.
Pipers play it.
You're good though. It's more dadgaddy than the other one.
That's a fiddle tune, I think, because I learned
I could barely play it.
Right? I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Right there where it is now
Sure.
is D-A-T.
So maybe it's a pipe tune.
Really
Yeah.
don't drink like that yet.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, that's nice.
Really refrain from
A
posting.
Beautiful Mind reference. I can't
Which
think
is
of.
also that's a good rule.
Okay.
Second I got very
Yes, I would like a beer, thanks.
Yeah.
I mean, I live on Instagram and still on Facebook Live, but
It's okay, I can.
What do you want, Nori?
Well, that's there's a couple things.
Yeah, whatever, yeah. That's great.
I had Twitter.
Charlie?
yeah, I'll take a Finnegan's.
Hey, hey.
All right.
If I want to,
Everybody's getting asked now. Thank you.
I'll die.
What?
Hi.
What's up? Drink. Huh? What's your drink?
You want a beer? Look at you. You
I
got your sneaky.
My NA beer.
Nice hat.
I'm trying to remember.
And whale shirts.
We used to end up doing like a fair amount of Patty O'Brien from here.
You want anything, Chad?
Which
Get your beverage?
I suppose from May.
If you're up, which is if you're up, would be great. Thank you.
If you're up. My graphic said that.
Okay.
If you're up, Kathy.
Exactly.
Oh, so that's actually been kind of fun.
Honestly, I could just go for some water.
For sure, for sure. So
I love how he's just like, this is the right way to play it. Like, there's no like, this is how a good so-and-so plays it, or this is how I play it. It's just like, no, you're doing it.
everything.
Yeah. What's next?
Yeah.
Wow. You are.
Sorry, I gotta get water down here first.
It's okay. I have a water.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Your tip is in your mail.
Oh, look at this, and then you have to move your fingers.
Well, you can
move your fingers.
You can carry 5 beers.
Yeah, just put your fingers in all 5.
Thanks, Brian.
Thanks, Mary.
Yeah.
I thought I'd get extra style points for the tray.
We heard you got purple shoes today, so you have some style points to make
I
up.
didn't wear them though. I wore my red ones because everybody's wearing the red shirt.
Oh, yeah?
Trying to match.
Yeah. I don't know what that one is.
Dr. Reveal.
Oh, yeah.
O'Shea?
Yeah.
And it was one of those tunes.
Really?
So
it's definitely
like
different.
Michaela band.
So, and I have the
Wait a
blue
minute.
one. It's a good model.
It's a great tune.
You know, I think Donnie and those guys all went to Dublin or
Yeah.
on their way.
I got my blue
Yeah.
ones at the thrift store, but then I liked them so much I went and got the red one. I heard that they were poorly done. So yeah, I got the
I know, I was
ones
thinking
today.
that, but.
Should I wear the purple shoes tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Dude, you want to do an...
I was going to say this is about 120 degrees.
Then you have to show them up over Zoom. You gotta just like hike them up in front of the camera.
Happy anyway?
But yeah, pick one off with a Mile Dublin. That's great.
Danny Diamond wears the wild shoes. He's been inspiring me.
Whoops, sorry Cormac, I moved it.
You might, they're like,
Oh no, that's
they're
you.
friends that live half the year in Mexico or like leaving tomorrow or something. Becca, well I think it's Becca and Paco. Becca and Paco. Anyway, they are sending them off this evening.
That's fair. It's a very good excuse. If you're not having an excuse.
Sorry, Claire.
Oh, look at the microphone, just keep coming.
Yep. Can we play mini golf later?
Ship Rowdy around the corner.
Sounds fun. My kids are with my mom here.
Yeah,
Really,
go ahead.
Capitalize on the
Otherwise, we go down crazy during
It's your only chance to play.
like the
takes me
red
4
shirts.
times to get going.
Yeah. It's time for something bold.
Bit of a different palette.
Yeah, you know.
Went from bluish to blue.
Yeah, there was the black gears.
Yeah.
The neon green
There
ears.
was the kind of, yeah, the neon green hours.
The yellow.
Yes. We don't like to talk about the neon green year.
No.
I think I blocked that year out of my memory.
Raging back now with the red.
How am I still sharp?
Yeah, I know you.
I mean, Minnesota Irish musicians. On
Harsh.
Minnesota Irish musicians.
Thank you.
Come on, you're alum.
Don't point that out. Don't say that in the mic.
Brian Miller, UW Madison graduate.
True. Julia DiGiorgio.
Nashville graduate in the spring, right?
I already did Rios.
Something's coming.
Ethan King, he must still be there, I think. It's James.
You're the one you got 60 days.
Good stuff.
There are as many notes in that as there are flowers on that shirt.
So many notes.
I like that. But not as many as there are hairs.
I think you should write a book of sayings, Brian. Because I'd read it every day.
Miller's Musings.
Poet laureate.
It's like our friend Margaret Glenn Combkill.
Well, go cutting an ear off on
Great
us.
man.
Yeah.
Did you see him? Yeah, a lot of them. He was like 70s or whatever. They could even fair to India.
Still don't have a good recording of
That's sort of like, that's visceral. You feel that. That's like everybody.
Oh, that song?
Yeah.
You have a recording of
I
me
don't
doing
have
that?
it.
Oh, gosh.
Still.
Yeah.
I just
I
want
feel.
the lyrics transcribed. I don't need
There was one time in the,
like
at
a
the
recording.
at that, oh man, at that Mississippi Celtic Fest one time,
Yeah.
I might have drank too much and I might have sang it into her answering machine.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Were you there for that?
I heard about it, but
Oh
I
yeah.
That's why I went the next year. I was hoping for that to happen again.
I think my legs are out.
Oh well. Still Facebook friends with me though. Hi Margie. Nice to see you.
Do it up. Let's do it.
Do you want to do? Should I put those Chelsea Town at the end?
Sure, we can do that. It's a Minneapolis thing. That's where I heard Sean play.
Some of the administration people trying to downplay it.
Kind of.
Oh yeah.
They're trying to
yeah.
like, oh, everything's gonna be fine. We're not gonna lose our building.
They sent out like a copy of like the school's financials basically to the whole staff to try to reassure us all.
We got work great.
It wasn't reassuring, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you hear?
I haven't heard.
Oh, the school that he works at, it's like this huge scandal going on. Front page of the Pioneer Press.
Yeah. That second tune, the A part sounds so much like a minor version of the Boys of 25.
Yes.
Yeah, it sounded a lot like it. Probably kind of came from this.
Well spotted, Ian.
Barry?
You're right. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah, it's like you swap out the C natural for
Squeeze in there somewhere.
something else.
Like an
I forgot what note it was.
I'm natural.
25 is different. We've all filed over here. Great.
What
is that second tune?
That one's
Okay, let's go for safety.
Nice. Yeah, the wind and the
that one?
Ask you to follow.
Yeah.
Come on.
What's the second part?
Not really.
Now I
a
can't
drop of rain.
That's what I was
After my phone said it was going to rain today all week. Yeah, it did say Well, no, it's just one that.
Thanks for
it's
the help.
One that, there's a video of Patrick McGowan playing those. And
Yes.
Like a year and a half
Definitely
ago,
need help.
Nora and
Yes.
I showed
Ran out of
it.
I think we need to introduce the audience to the band at this point. They're so outnumbered.
Councilman LaCura played. Would rely on her
Oh. Did it come apart there, Allegra?
Oh no, the boat.
What happened?
This is a jolly gathering.
Yeah. Which end? Ooh.
Where's Mary going? I'm uneasy.
We need everybody together to get
Mary's on the hoof. Oh, God.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, there's Henry. All the cool people are coming in late. I see how it is. Dave McKenna is honoring us with his presence.
I'm good.
I'm good right now. Thanks, Natalie. I'm okay. Thanks, Natalie.
Bush and Corning.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Yes.
Where'd the fiddle players go?
Quick,
What's
that
happening?
way. Ready?
Yeah,
Fun
yeah,
stuff.
let's do that.
Thank you.
blister. I'm out of practice.
Going from that. Well, you've been playing a lot, man.
Yeah.
The double strings.
See, this weather is
I know, yeah. It's like, it's in a weird spot. I don't know.
Oh, yep.
Seriously,
To use the Bouzouki player's room.
I guess I've noticed that a little bit.
Very little bit helps.
Barry? How you doing?
Not too bad. We made you blues. We were playing over the double.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, let's do it.
Very nice.
Didn't want to disappoint.
Not today. It just will bother me as much. Great quiet.
Thank you.
I haven't.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Oh yeah, well,
Yeah, it's just
I don't know if there will be any.
Still is.
Oh, I might have to.
Claire, do you have a
There's
set?
really good Greek food nearby.
Yeah, they're just
Order
like,
for
yeah, they're just
pick up or something.
Yeah, food.
Tell me what is it?
This is
There's good Thai food. I don't know when they close.
But
we should maybe
yeah,
sort this out.
Think about it.
Terry just folks.
And do you think
30 more minutes.
Set dance folks.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's
Let me just see if these places are open.
You know that like
how late
it's
they're
like
they're not in Greek now. Let's see if we screwed that up.
you know just
It's gone already.
yeah. The chieftains played that set. Oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just it's strange.
Okay, what goes after the Stony Steps?
It's always that Jimmy John's that delivers here.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's one of those
When I've
weird,
been in
yeah,
a pinch for food here, that's often where I've
Oh,
gone.
I know which one. Second tune is this.
Yeah, so far the Ethiopian place is open.
That's the second tune.
The one nearby, Fasika, which is
I'm
good.
just gonna do the 2 tunes.
They don't necessarily deal with
I don't know.
pickup.
Somebody cut off Brian.
Yeah. Oh yeah, from the Naughty Creek. Yes.
They weren't. I just have to take this opportunity to say thank you for being here, everybody. This is so fantastic.
Did you eat dinner yet? Incidental.
And so thanks for coming, and I hope you're all coming to the workshops this weekend and coming to the concert tomorrow night. The concert will be right here at the Celtic Junction. So let's just hear a huge round of applause for this awesome stage and this beautiful spot. And also, for everybody out there who's joining us from afar, it's so great that you're with us. And also, so there's one other session going on just around the corner, the Keegan's Learner session. And during COVID, they lost their home. Keegan's is closed. So this is their first session playing together as well, just like it is for a lot of us. So this is a really special night. So thanks to all the musicians, you guys, it's just amazing. And to all these young musicians here who came over. We had a nice little session around the corner, and but it's really nice to all be together. So what should we play next? Any requests? Sligo Maid. Oh, Sligo Maid? Oh, yeah. All right, I heard a call for Sligo Maid. I like that one. What else? Anybody have any other real suggestions?
Oh, Holy Land.
Yeah. Do you want to do that set? And then do Sligo Maid at the end?
She
Okay.
probably will.
What is
Yeah, get her some.
All right, these are... Yeah, we'll do the Sligo Maid and then the Holy Land set from the Common Rep / Thoughty Band.
Sligo Maid.
Okay. It's in there somewhere. I know it's just in
You
here.
can do it, Mary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's the Holy Land.
Me too, yeah.
So good. So good.
I know. I should have known that we were going to do this one that goes before it.
Yeah. I fell into the same trap.
It's about Gansett.
I do, I love it.
I knew, but I was just like
Classic.
And I suppose you really need the lady to set up the lions.
Like Julia Clifford's
Can't have the land without the lady.
And then
Oh wait, is that it?
I know, exactly. The translating's right there.
Yeah, I need that. I can't function without it.
That's a great one.
Yeah, that one. And then
Yeah.
Wow.
And the Pete Bradleys.
it's Pete Bradley's.
I used to.
It'll come back.
Go on, you will.
It'll come back to you. It'll come back. All right, here's some nice polkas. You guys want to come and play? Any of you want to come and play? Just like this.
Come on.
Come on, Claire.
For a second, I thought it was going to thunderstorm on us after all.
Yeah.
So we learned the second and third of these from Matt Kranich last year at MIM, Minnesota Irish Music Weekend at Home. So I think some of you might know these. And then the first tune's called Julia Clifford's, and it's a good tune.
Good name.
We got a bare seat over here. If anybody wants to get up, Henry. Come on, you know these. You know these. Come on. Come on. We need a banjo up here.
Carmen.
Carmen?
Carmen.
Come on. Henry's ready to do. Oh, Carmen's gonna do. Come on, both of you. Both of you. Come here. We need a chair.
Thank you. There's a.
No, you can sit right here.
Both of you. Both of you.
Good. Okay, Carmen, you sit here. Henry, you sit right over there.
There we go.
There we go. All right, this is Carmen. This is Henry Brandt up here.
You can have it.
Woo-hoo! Claire, you want to play? You good? Yeah, come on.
You will.
All right. Woo! Anybody else who wants to come up?
There's another seat down there now, too.
Oh, there's another seat down there. Come on, Ginger, Katya, Katie. Come on, get up there.
Yeah, Katie.
Seriously.
Yeah, come on, Brooke.
Come forward, children.
Woo! Katya and Ginger. Go over there.
Yeah, come on, Katya.
Come on.
And Katie. Come on. All right, we've got a bunch of our student musicians who know these tunes. They're going to play them into the mics. Woohoo! All right, so ready, guys? No pressure.
I don't know if I know these, to be honest.
Good, Mary, you can put it there. All right.
I think you should
Here we
lilt
go.
into the mic, Brian.
1, 2, 3.
Is that good?
Thank you.
It's really cool. Yeah,
Do it.
yeah. There's a lot going on, and
Yeah.
obviously, Julia Clifford and Dennis Murphy play polkas. There's a lot going on.
There.
As has been noted before.
I'm going to take your words to heart. And this may mean a whole new life for me.
You should listen to polkas, Barry. You should learn a few polkas.
Barry doesn't know any polkas.
No, I've never heard Barry play polkas. He's obviously not a connoisseur. Oh, they're so cool. Such a cool
Whatever they're
thing.
playing, jigs, polkas, we're
That
gonna
whole
look at
polka thing.
that. You and
All right, here's a couple we learned from Pauline Keneally last year.
Oh boy.
Woo-hoo! So we'll channel Pauline Keneally here through the banjo and all these wonderful women up here. All right.
I know exactly.
Yeah, that's it, right? Okay, here we go.
I think it's the classic. Holding a dollar bill above his head.
Yep.
That'd be nice. Yeah. All right, we're gonna play one more set, and then we're gonna finish off the session with a song. Our friend Aria Strauss is gonna sing a song, and maybe we can play along with her. We'll do our best. So what should we play?
Let's go into like 50%.
I know, yeah.
Starting off with 0 food.
End of the night blowout.
That's how it's supposed to be. Over
Sure. Do you guys want to play the
Oh my
Thrush in the
gosh.
Bush and only for Barney?
Flute snob. I still like you, Carmen.
Thanks, Ryan.
We'll do.
Who even plays the flute?
Should we try Thrush in the Bush? Oh.
Whoa.
That one?
We could do that. We could do that and then like Miller's Maggot. Do you guys know Miller's Maggot?
I do not. I know exactly, yeah.
Let's do Thrush in the Bush and Miller's Maggot.
It's a
Let's do
Josephine
that. We'll
Keegan
just
tune
play it
that
real safe.
I sort of don't like very much, but
And
that we
then-
learned to collaborate.
All right, this is the Thrush in the Bush and the Miller's Maggot.
It's kind of opposite.
All right.
But we'll go another one's after.
Your part?
That's how you do it.
The old Miller's Maggot.
This is a Josephine Keegan tune, and it's a tune that we learned from friends of ours over in Armagh. Over COVID, we met some friends in Ireland. All right, so here we go.
Phonetic spelling of
sure.
Well, is Aria out there? You out there? Will you come sing a song? So this is our friend Aria Strauss.
Well done, everyone.
Aria just graduated from a music degree, and
Education.
Aria, come sit right over here. Is Dahi gonna come up or is Sina gonna come up? You good?
Thank you.
Okay, that's good. That's fine. And let me see, Aria. We met Aria. I don't know how we meet you. We showed up at the CIM at some one day.
A long time ago.
A long time ago with her sisters and brothers.
Yeah, it must have been, I think it was like 10 years ago.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah.
You were 2 and I was 10.
Yes. All right, so I thought I could sing a song in Irish called Shidu Amoy. And yeah, it'd be lovely if you guys play along.
Yeah.
Feel free.
I don't think she's playing yet.
Shito amoy, kalachan argish. Shito amoy, awalin ishwori. Iskurishi kochi hawar kashargish. Davakin sim kochi honiling sarahi kuchim pushirin karni. Hayishin shuni nurare kushi hanya shishula kalachan argish. Shito amoy, kalachan argish. Shito amoy, awalin ishwori. Iskurishi koshi hawar kashargish. Masantu bosa, bershama bolisho. Tasnak bose, tashira ogestan hashin targish. Shito amoy, kalachan argish. Shito amoy, awalin ishwor, iskurishi koshi hawar kashargish. Shkerishke bose, bershama bolisho. Shkerishke bose, shanhin isvor, ismairini hakasi. Shito amoy, kalachan argish. Shito amoy, awalin ishvor, iskurishi koshi hawar kashargish. Shito amoy, kalachan argish. Shito amoy, awalin ishwori. Iskurishi koshi hawar kashargish.
That's Aria Strauss. So nice to have a song at the session. Thank you so much, Aria. Mary, where's Mary? Is Mary gone? Is she off drinking?
Yes.
That's all right. Should we play one more? Let's play one more. We'll play one more. We'll figure out what we should play. See if Mary wants to come back. What's that?
Claire's being
Yeah,
bullied.
Claire,
It's okay.
Claire, you come. All right, Claire, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna play.
Oh, that's play some reels.
Should we play? What about the Captain Kelly set?
Oh, that's a good
Let's do
set.
that.
I know that.
Do you want to do the Captain Kelly set? Captain Kelly's.
I'm so
It's all right. The ones that you know. Captain Kelly's and Harvest Moon and the Dublin Porter. All right, we'll do another set we learned at MIM a couple years ago. We learned these from Randall Bass. So this is Captain Kelly's. Some of you might have learned it from Randall Bass too. Captain Kelly's and the Harvest Moon and the Dublin Porter. So thanks everybody for coming. We can have more tunes after this too. We could all sit on the ground and have tunes. There's no reason we have to stop. But I think we'll finish maybe up here on stage now and say goodnight to our friends online. Thanks so much to Mary Venorny, to John McCormick, to Brian Miller, and Charlie Heyman, and everyone else for leading tonight. Is anybody been around the corners? Are the Keegans? Is this still going, or did you guys finish up? So, okay, great, awesome. All right, so I hope you've had a wonderful night. We'll see you. This is part of the Minnesota Irish Music Weekend at home and at the Junction. And we're having a wonderful time. It's really cathartic to play tunes with all of you and to see your beautiful smiling faces out in the open air. So here we go. We'll finish off with these. Have a wonderful night, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. We'll be learning from our amazing artists tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. sharp. Okay. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Have a wonderful night, everybody.